In this session, I'll walk you through how we can secure a retrieval-augmented generation AI pipeline running on Google Cloud with CipherTrust as the foundation for key and secret management, data protection in use, as well as data protection at rest. This demo shows not just how GenAI works, but how it can be safely deployed in a highly regulated industries. Enterprises today are facing what I call a perfect storm. DevOps accelerate application delivery, AI unlocks intelligence from data, and regulators are tightening on compliance as well as on digital trust. Bankers, insurers, government agencies want to adopt GenAI for productivity and intelligent citizen or customer services, but they are facing heavy requirements for compliance, audit, as well as sovereignty. The key point, security can no longer be bought after the fact. It must be embedded in the entire AI supply chain, from data ingestion to inference. This is where Thales comes in. We help organizations protect every layer of the AI lifecycle. At data layer, CipherTrust provides data encryption, secret management, tokenization, and external key control. At the application layer, Thales Imperva defends APIs application workload. From the AI model itself, our software monetization solution protect IP and prevent unauthorized use. And finally, our identity and access management portfolio secures user and machine identities. Together, this forms a complete ecosystem for secure and trusted AI adoption. Now let's see how it put in use. Let me share what I have built. We have a hybrid RG inference setup with Gemini 2.5 and local hosted Llama3. We have vectorized compliance frameworks such as NIST AI RMF, as well as EU AI Act into ChromaDB, so the AI can provide answer with grounded and trusted knowledge. On Kubernetes, we are running on ChromaDB, an ingression with OIDC auth, and an embedding job. Security is layered with Thales CipherTrust, CCKM for external key management for GCP VMs, as well as for persistent storage for GKE clusters. And CTE utilized to protect both the VM sensitive folder as well as the Kubernetes persistent storage. On top of that, we leverage Google Confidential Compute, IAM tunnels, IAM role bindings, and Google ETLS certificate to secure the AI pipeline. All of this is orchestrated with Terraform, Ansible, kubectl, and Helm. Give us a modern DevSecOps pipeline. This is architecture in action. We deploy a secure VectorDB with ChromaDB on GKE with confidential VMs protected by AMD SEV. Encryption keys are controlled externally with GCP EKM integrated into Thales CCKM, CipherTrust. And CTE applied transparent encryption for ML data on VM and also protect the persistent storage for Kubernetes containers. On the AI pipeline side, we embedded regulatory documents such as using sentence transformer and stored them in ChromaDB. Fast API was used to power the semantic search, and Streamlit provide a simple user query interface. For inference, we use both Gemini Pro as well as the local Llama3 model. The entire stack is automated with Terraform for infrastructure, Ansible and Kubernetes, as well as Helm for secure ML ops operation. This slide shows the deployment flow of the RG pipeline. Sensitive documents are ingested into protected volume embedded with sentence transformer and stored in ChromaDB. Fast API services provide the retrieval. Streamlit provide the user interface. And with user submit a query, the retriever pulls relevant context through Chroma And the LLM, whether it's Gemini or Llama3, generates a grounded and compliant response. Throughout this flow, Thales CipherTrust ensures that data, models, and secrets are encrypted and with access control and least privilege permissions implemented, so that compliance and sovereignty are never compromised. To summarize, so this picture illustrates how Thales secured end-to-end GenAI pipeline on Google Cloud, from external key management with CCKM, transparent encryption with CTE, DevOps operation, automation with Terraform, Ansible, code control, HAM. We make AI adoption safe as well as secure for regulated industry. The message is clear. You don't need to choose between innovation and compliance. With Thales, you can have both.